Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to another video. Today in this video I want to show you how you can edit your drone images. So for this you'll need your drone images and also access to your laptop as well. I really hope it's a really powerful laptop. Depending what software you are using to edit your images, it's really important to have a powerful laptop. In my case, I'm going to use my MacBook Pro, which I've purchased last year to edit my 4K and 5K drone videos. I'm really satisfied with that. Anyway, we're going to move and start to edit a photo I took in Cornwall, and I'm going to use the Adobe Lightroom software. You can choose to make it auto. So if you want to press the auto, so basically, as you can see here, the Adobe Lightroom did the little editing for me, and if you're happy with editing, you probably could keep it this way. If not, you can go to develop, and here you will be able to take it more further. You have some presets on the corner. It's totally up to you if you want to have your photo be black and white, like creative, some presets here, a bit more something different. I'll never use them because I don't need them. I usually stick to color grading and just a little panel here. So first of all, if you're happy with the colors, just leave it as it is. In my case, I might add a bit more saturation. So I will scroll down and add a bit more saturation in my case. And as you can see here, you already can see that there is a bit more saturation on the image. Now, if you want to add a bit more clarity, you can do that. And don't go really mad, because your photo might look a bit not really sharp as you want. So add just a bit of clarity, don't go really mad. And you also can check the photo. So if you want to zoom in and have a look if you like it. And now you can see here, so it's showing me before editing and after. So you can see that there is a bit more saturation, a bit more clarity as well. So this has improved. Now you can zoom in more, and you can view that this has improved a lot. Move back to the single photo. Black, sometimes it's depending on the photo, where I took the photo, I do drop my black down. If you want to increase your shadow, you can do that. Don't do too much. Highlights, no need to do highlights. Contrast, maybe just a bit of contrast. Exposure, I won't do much on this case. I would probably leave it to 50. So I'm happy with this. As you can see, it's really sharp. Just need to find out a little bit more. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with exposure, with shadow, with clarity. You can add a bit more texture, just not a lot, just a bit. We'll go scroll down, and again, you can increase your blue or any colors on a photo you want. So let's say you want to increase your blue. So we'll go blue. There you go. And as you can see here, this little lake, it's much more blue than it was before. And to show you that, I'm gonna put that so you can see the difference. It's much more saturation. It's much more blue, much more color. It's totally up to you. How do you want the photo to look? Let's put it back to normal. And this will leave, I'll leave this one not too much, but not in the middle, just a bit. Now we'll move back, color grading. Again, I don't really tend to touch this. It's depending how much editing you want to do on your photo. I won't recommend to do really heavy, because otherwise your photo might turn into a bit illustrations. Depending, you might not want that. Details, here you can add a bit more sharpness. So it's showing you the sharpening here, and you can add a bit more if you want to sharpen your photo. For me, it's pretty sharp. The photo is pretty detailed, so I don't want to add too much noise. Noise reductions, if you want to get rid of noise, just do that. Change a bit your details, contrast, a bit more contrast, colors, so noise for color as well. And that's pretty much what I've done in my case. Now let's put back the original picture and this picture. So again, now you can see the before and after, and it is much more better than was before. It's much more colors, more sharpness, more details, much more saturation. The lake looks a bit more blue than it was before. Okay, cool. Let's scroll down, transform. It's as if you want to kind of transform your photo. So to show you better, sometimes you can put an auto and the soft will do that for you. If not, you can just do yourself, so you can play around with these options how you want it. So as you can see here, you can change the photo. I don't need this, so I'll put back to everything as it was. So keep everything to 0. And we're gonna close this one down. Effects. If you want to use any effects like vignette, like you want to add some black around the photo. So basically you want to show or to highlight something on your picture, you can add black or white. It's totally up to you. And you also have midpoint as well. I don't use them because I don't want to highlight anything on this picture. So we're gonna close this one down. Calibrations. You don't have to calibrate anything on this photo, but sometimes when I take images with my camera, I do use calibration. So that's pretty much how you can edit a photo in Lightroom. It's very simple. It's totally up to you what soft you are using. Sometimes I use different soft to edit my images. Sometimes I use my Lightroom. It's totally depending where I want to upload my pictures and what pictures I'm taking. So we're gonna export this photo. So let's export it, and I want to check the final picture. So this photo was taken using my DJI Air 2S. I'm quite happy with outcome. Looks pretty sharp. It's not lake, it's a river. It looks bluish, pretty detailed, pretty sharp. To be honest, it's quite well edited photo for me. It might not look good for you. Maybe you like different. Maybe you like a bit black and white. Maybe you want a bit more saturation. Maybe it's too saturated for you. So for everyone it's different. But that's how you can edit your drone footages to look them a bit more nicely when you share them on social media. If you want to sell them, I would probably, as I said, I would probably stick to natural colors. Don't do too much saturation. Don't do too much detail. I mean, don't go too much on editing the photo. So I really hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, ask in the comments below. Thumbs up as well. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. This will help a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video.